Hello fan collectors. Today I'm going to show you my 52-inch Emerson Casablanca designer series in Chesterfield Brown. It has 4 walnut blades. They're all wood. Since this is the reversible model, see the reverse switch right there in the housing, and they had made these with plastic blades, but they were non-reversible, more for industrial use, probably like the Fasco heat cycler. And I want to say this fan was manufactured sometime in the early to mid 80s, possibly late 70s. And if you notice, this fan has a plastic housing, plastic canopy, and plastic nose right there. But the flywheel is metal, and the blade flanges are also metal. And I think the badges are plastic. It's got a little shot of the blade here. I love these square blades. Very typical of Emerson's of this era. And it's got a nice Tiffany light shade on it. It's a really huge light bulb. And I'll shed a little light on the situation here. Really nice. Puts out a good amount of light. And the story of this ceiling fan is that the girl who was my dentist assistant, like from way back when, she was on my Facebook and she posted a new ceiling fan installed in her living room, and I sent her a message and I said, "Hey, did you replace another ceiling fan with it?" And I said, "Save it for me because I collect these things." And sure enough, she did. She didn't know what it was, but I went and got it, and it just totally exceeded my expectations that it was a Casablanca designer series of all things. She said it worked, and sure enough, she was right. And I'll turn the light off. And now we're going to rev the fan up, first on low. Sorry if it's a little shaky. It's got the typical Emerson double claw mounting hardware. Medium. Well, it's really picking up. And now we will try this sucker on high, shall we? It does torque out a little bit on high, but that's typical of most fans with this mounting system. Has a slight shake. But nothing we need to be concerned about. Wow. This is like the best Emerson Casablanca designer I have had so far, and I absolutely love it. Listen to that. This baby is cranking out a ton of air on high. I'll pan over to the there's a Hunter Westminster, and know that it's not one I did a video of earlier. I'm going to do a video of that particular one that you see right now at a later time, so stay tuned, folks. But now back to our show, the Emerson, and now it is spin down time. I'm going to power it down. I mean, this fan runs remarkable. Very good air mover. And it's American made too, by the way. And I think this was, judging by the light kit, I think this was sold at Montgomery Ward's back in the day. I'm not positive, but either that or True Value. It's pretty cool. You could buy American-made ceiling fans at like department stores. You can't even buy American fans at lighting stores now. That just sucks. But this fan doesn't. Emerson stopped first, and that Hunter's taking a little longer to spin down. Be patient, folks. I will do a separate video of this Hunter. I forgot to reverse it since now it's spring outside. Okay, folks, both fans have ceased operation, mainly the Emerson. And this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching.